The first step in performing Astm C1688 is to obtain a sample of the freshly mixed pervious concrete in accordance with Astm C172. Then, place the unit weight bucket on a flat, level surface, free of vibration, and moisten the inside before placing pervious concrete in it. Place the pervious concrete in the unit weight bucket in 2 layers of approximately equal depth. During filling of the bucket, move the scoop around the perimeter of the opening to ensure an even distribution of the concrete. Drop the standard Proctor hammer 20 times per layer at the full 12-inch height. For each layer, distribute the position of the tamper so that the entire surface area of the pervious concrete is consolidated equally. Before consolidating the final layer, fill the bucket to overflowing. After completion of consolidation, the bucket must contain about 1/4 inch of excess pervious concrete protruding above the top of the bucket. If, after 10 hammer drops to the final layer, it appears that there will be insufficient concrete, add a small quantity of concrete to correct the deficiency. If after 10 hammer drops to the final layer it appears there will be too much concrete, remove a representative sample with a hand float. After consolidation, strike off the top surface of the concrete and finish it flat with a strike-off plate so that the concrete surface is level with the top of the bucket. Accomplish the strike-off by pressing the strike-off plate on the top surface of the bucket to cover about 2/3 of the surface and withdrawing the plate with a sawing motion to strike off the area originally covered. Then, place the plate on top of the bucket to cover the same 2/3 of the surface and advance it with a vertical pressure and a sawing motion to cover the whole surface of the bucket until it slides completely off the bucket. After strike off, clean excess concrete from the exterior of the bucket and then weigh the bucket. From the total weight of the bucket and the concrete, subtract the known weight of the bucket. You will usually find this written on the side in magic marker. Take that number and divide by the volume of the bucket to determine the unit weight. For example, if the bucket weighs 7.9 pounds and the total weight of the concrete and bucket is 40 pounds, subtract 7.9 from 40 equals 32.1 and divide that by 0.25, and the reported unit weight is 128.4 pounds per cubic foot.